How to heal your inner child. And what does that mean? I'm Georgie Holbrook. I'm going to read from my latest book, Autoimmune, Acne, and Rosacea, Natural Healing. Autoimmune can be anything. What autoimmune means in my life is that at the cell level, cells can't communicate, but all that can be turned around. So the last chapter of this book is on how to heal your inner child. And I'm going to read from page 92. Why is it so important to look deeper at this earlier programming of when you were a child? As a child, if you felt abandoned, abused, neglected, shamed in any way, fearful, unloved, insecure, like you didn't matter, flawed in any way, not okay, somehow didn't measure up to others, and perhaps you had health issues, they go hand in hand. So when we can't express ourselves emotionally, it will come out in a physical form. That's been my 20 years of study to prove that principle. So check in with yourself and see how many of those same feelings and experiences you feel today about yourself that you felt as a child. You avoid looking in the mirror, or if you do, you dislike what you see and murmur unkind words to yourself. Never okay, never good enough by your own standards. Maybe you even have some self-hate towards your body or your life, your self-talk. If I was with you and I could listen into your self-talk, would you be proud of how you praise yourself? Or are you negative towards yourself and those around you? How about your self-image? Piling one hurt on top of another. You either heal your childhood beliefs and experiences, or you live in the story. So what I suggest in this chapter is that you make a contract with yourself and you read it every day for a month or more. And here I'll read the contract with you. I will, from this day forward, love, honor, and adore, respect, and enhance my life to the best of my ability. So you'll want to include your name in this. I will insist that the sparkle in my eyes never have a reason to grow dim. I will treasure my relationship with myself and seek any and all ways to understand my greatest inner desires. I promise not to allow my spirit to fade or die from lack of self-love, support, neglect, or lack of joy. I promise to look at myself in the mirror and praise myself often, knowing that if I ever discount myself, I will discount the God that created me. I will never let fear, doubt, shame, or worry dominate my thoughts and life ever again. I will allow only the abundance and prosperity of God to be my focus and my thoughts. I will create time for creativity and those things that I really love to do. I will create space and time to practice the presence of God by learning to pray and meditate more. I will enjoy silence and stillness and not try to fill up my days with just busyness. I will honor my clear thinking and my God-given intuition to guide me, which is 100% accurate. I will know that if I have signs of illness, it will reflect my unhappiness, and I will honor my body language to make changes, and I will get a mentor to teach me how to be in my body, mind, and spirit in a sacred way and not miss the chance. I will take time to learn and help myself grieve losses, hidden hurts, and family secrets, and learn how to release my emotional pain, not to stuff my inner pain ever again. I love you, my sacred inner child. That child that was born sacred and divine. Forever to hold you in my heart with a gentle touch of knowing that I almost missed the opportunity to save your brilliant, precious soul by treating you badly. Never again. So imagine, you might want to close your eyes, the day that you were born. It is said that there's more angels on earth than people. And that the day that you were born, in the midst of all that celebration, your own guardian angels whispered your name in your ear. Holy, holy is this child. Alleluia, the angels sang. Divine lives within you. You can trust your intuition, get your answers from within. Like water seeping into dry ground, get your answers from within. The angels sang, be true to yourself. We love you. We adore you. We are here for you the rest of your life. Call on us. We are here to help you. The angels today are singing you continually a love song to open up your heart and mind to a whole new world of allowing the angels just to support you and love you. Just imagine those angels today, still whispering in your ear, wanting you to be happy, healthy. They go hand in hand. I'm Georgie Holbrook. I'm a mentor. I do phone and Skype work with people, teaching people how to trust their intuition, how to get their own inner guidance, how to contact their angels, how to open up a whole new arena, whether it's career, relationships, love, health issues, doesn't matter. It's all the same. At the same level, if we can trust our intuition, then we can trust it every day. Making our yes a yes and our no a no. No longer being a follower, but just allowing us to live our God-given purpose and passion and not waiting till the end of our lives and then having regrets. So if you have things that you'd like to learn and experience, I'm a mentor for many. I work with people nationally and internationally. It's like going to a college course, but learning tools that you'll have the rest of your life. You can go it alone, but it takes a long time. For me, it took a long time to learn what I teach now. I've been at this for 20 years. So from my heart to yours, you can contact me off my website, joy, like a lady's name, joy-full.com. You can call me or email me off my website. I look forward to talking to you from my heart to yours. May joy fill your life and you not settle for anything less. Health, happiness, prosperity, blessings to you today. Thank you. Thank you for liking this video. Together we can make a difference.